Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee dashboard features a sleek, modern design with a 10.1-inch touchscreen, digital instrument cluster, and optional front passenger display. It provides 10.25-inch digital cluster offers customizable displays, navigation, and driver assist info with high-res graphics. The LCD offers a high-resolution display with real-time data, customizable settings, and seamless connectivity. It features a rotary dial gear selector for smooth, intuitive shifting, enhancing cabin space and modern design. The dual or quad zone climate control system offers touch and physical controls, ensuring personalized comfort for all passengers. The leather-wrapped steering wheel has integrated controls for audio, cruise, instrument cluster.
The units of measure may differ depending on the intended destination of the vehicle.
Cluster indicators, airbag, brake, seatbelt reminder, battery charge, door open, electric power steering fault, electronic throttle control, engine coolant temperature, hood open, oil pressure, oil temperature, liftgate open, transmission temperature, vehicle security, anti-lock brake system, electronic stability control active, electronic stability control off, electric park brake, low fuel, service lane sense, engine check malfunction, active driving assist, service forward collision, active driving assist fault, air suspension fault, 4WD low, tire pressure, night vision animal, service stop start system, night vision pedestrian, hill descent control, forward collision warning, off, low washer fluid, service four-wheel drive, air suspension active, air suspension aerodynamic, air suspension entry-exit, adaptive cruise control, adaptive cruise control, front fog, parking/headlights, rear seat belt, turn signal, stop start active, high beam, sway bar, cruise control, select speed control, air suspension off-road 1, air suspension off-road 2, auto hold fault sway bar, auto hold max payload exceeded, neutral, rear seat unoccupied, sport mode, night vision suppressed, safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention, don't ignore flashing symbols, stop driving for red warning lights, check manual for unknown symbols, regular maintenance, cluster awareness, Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.